First, what you have to do, please access, open your browser, web browser. You can open Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera, or Safari, anything if you have. Don't open everything. Right? Just open one browser and then move to this www.google.com search engine. So like this way. So please open your browser.
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. You're still
1
writing?
minute, sir.
Still writing?
Huh? No, sir. I need to go to that.
All right. Then go to google.com and open the search engine. After that, you can search.
What do we need to search?
Yes, you have to search. If you want PDF files, so let's say you want a PDF file about Sri Lanka. Then type Sri Lanka, file type PDF. It will give you PDF files about Sri Lanka. So please use same spaces, same wordings, right? You have to use same spaces. Don't use any other space. So same similar spaces. And all. I have sent you the message in the chat section. Just refer to the chat section. You can see the search.
Sir, can we name a district even like Candy?
Yeah, you can name it. No issue. You can name. You can search anything, right? Here, this should be the file type PDF should be there, but you can here you can mention Sri Lanka, like, or you can just remove Sri Lanka and you can say Candy file type PDF, or you can say Goal file type PDF. You can say okay, you can even say, let's say a name. Okay, let's put Danoli file type PDF. Then you will get PDFs where you have Danoli, the name Danoli in those PDFs. Right? Or you can say Abinu file type PDF. It will give the files with Abinu in your in the PDF. But you can put anything, Sri Lanka or India or Pakistan or Canada or any name or any city name or even your name. Or you can put like okay, let's say grade 7 ICT file type PDF. Then you will get the first one is from MUSES College, grade 7 ICT MUSES College. Then second one, grade 7 ICT, that is Anugerah Central College, I think. Yes, it's something like this. Then amal edu.lk, then ni.lk, National Institute of Education. Right, it will give you documents related to grade 7 ICT PDF, portable documents related to.
What is NIE? What is NIE?
National Institute of Education.
Okay.
You can just click on one, right? If you want, click on I'm going to click the first one, the MUSES College link. And when I click on that, okay, it will download a PDF to me from MUSES College. And this is what unit 7, there is a note. Straight. You can download a note related to lesson number 2, which is given in MUSES College. Is it given to you? Is there anyone from MUSES College?
Sir, I am in MUSES College.
So is it given to you?
No, sir, still.
Still not. So before giving to you, you can download that, right?
Yes,
before
sir.
they give it to you, you can download that and tell that it's with me. So already it's with me. So you know the questions that they are going to ask and the answers.
Sir, how to find that? Sir.
Right, you can just search. I search like this, within quotation, grade 7 ICT, then file type PDF. So this is the way. I'm sending it in the chat. I'm sending it in the chat. Okay. Then you can download the grade 7 ICT related thing from some schools if it is published, or some it is you can even download from National Institute of Education. So this will be very useful, no? Then you know how to exactly search a file. Otherwise you have to search with regularly. How did you search? ඔයාලා දැන් වෙනදත් search කරනව නේද? search කරනකොට කොහොමද search කරන්නේ? grade 7 note, grade 7
Yes,
ICT.
sir.
Yes, you search like that.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, then sir, when we are copying and pasting,
Yes.
is there shortcut to do copy and paste?
Yes. Last week we have discussed that. I think that is Control C and Control V. Control C for copy and Control V for paste, and shift insert for copy, control insert for copy, and shift insert to paste. That is another way.
Okay, sir. Thank
Control
you.
insert, shift insert. We discussed last week. If you missed that, please watch the video, then you can download. Okay.
Sir, I came last week, but you did say that that operating systems,
Yeah,
files and
operating
folders.
system. Didn't I give you this the last week?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sorry, I missed that. So I think it's for grade 8 there. Grade 8 to grade 9. Sorry. Okay, then that is Control C and Control V. If you want, copy is Control C, paste is Control V. If you want to copy paste, Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Anyway, we will learn this. Don't worry, right? If you have not learned yet, don't worry, we will learn this. This is not related to your note, the question that you have asked. Okay, then, so if you want, let's say grade 7 ICT, you need PowerPoint. You can say PPTX. That will give you PowerPoints if it's available.
Sir, it's not coming now. Sir? Sir, you are muted.
Yes, is it not giving any result? PowerPoint?
No, sir, it's not giving no.
One result, no? Only one result.
Yes, sir.
Just remove PPT, then X part, then PPT. Then you'll get few, right? PPT.
Yes, sir.
Then you'll get few. But only few are there because those are also not from Sri Lanka, I think. Those are from some other school.
Sir, it's coming, remove the quotation marks. Like that.
No need to remove the quotation mark. Right? No need to remove the quotation marks because anyway, it will display the results in the bottom. But it seems our search term, that grade 7 ICT, that search term is not available. That's why it's giving related results. Exact result is not there. That's why it's giving related results. Right? So that means no one has uploaded PowerPoint files related to grade 7 still. No one has done that. That's why it's not there. Right? You can just see, okay, forget about grade 7 ICT, just search like, okay, let's search Sigiriya. Then you will get PowerPoint related to Sigiriya. PowerPoints related to Sigiriya. Only the PowerPoints, right?
So that means we need to put that Sigiriya file type PPT, no?
Yes, file type PPT. Then it will download.
Sir, what is the meaning of Gynepedia?
Sorry?
Is it similar to Wikipedia? What's the meaning of Gynepedia?
No, it's not like Wikipedia. It's maybe some other site. Right? It's some other site in India. IN means it's mostly in India. You can just click.
Sir,
Yes.
When we click like that, we can get questions even from Sigiriya
Yeah.
definition. We can get questions even in the
Yeah, sure.
bottom.
You can get questions,
Yes.
right? If you need papers, right? If you need paper, you can like search like here, ICT paper. Then you can put grade, maybe grade 7. Then you can say DOC means documents, Word files. If you have any, you will get that. Or you can say ICT paper, maybe here grade 7 again quotation. Sometimes you might get. Or if no docs, then you can say PDF. It will give the PDF files, right? You can get PDF files. Right. Likewise, you can search for many, even you can search Excel files. Likewise, anyway, if you know the file type, you can search for any file with any term. Initially, you have to give the term, then you have to give the file type. Initially, you have to give the term, then second, the file type. I think now you can search in the internet, no? This way?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to find useful files in the internet this way. Try to find useful files. Maybe you have lessons in, you have science lessons. You have, okay, if you want to search Sinhala, still you can do, right? So if you want to search Sinhala, please go to a site like this, kuru.lk. Then type your Sinhala word in. Let's say you want to find about, let's think you have to, okay, or real-time Unicode converter, this one. Let's say you want to find about Sinhala and Hatha Vasara, something like this. So you can just copy this, paste it here. Within the quotation, you can paste this, Control-C, Control-V, and search. Then it will give, right? So related search here. Sinhala Bhashaව සහ සාහිත්‍ය 7 වසර 7 ශ්‍රේණිය. Sinhala Bhashaව සහ සාහිත්‍ය. Yes.
Sir,
Show it again.
sir, අපිට ඒක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් ගන්න බැයිද සිංහල 7 7 වසර කියලා? ඒ කියන්නේ
එහෙම
ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්.
දාන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අර සිංහලෙන් තියෙනව නෙවෙයි එන්නේ නේද? ගොඩක් සිංහලෙන් සර්ච් කරගන්න අමාරුයි. ඉතින් හොඳම දේ තමයි මේ සිංහල grade 7 maths papers. So likewise සිංහල
Sir, can you show it again?
Yes, you can go to helakuru.lk පුතා. This one, helakuru.lk. Then you can type this. Sinhala කියන ලියන්නේ SINHALA. Right? It will convert that to Sinhala. So basically, if you write Sinhala SINHALA, it will convert it to Sinhala font. Then type Hatha Vasara. Hatha Vasara. So it will convert that to Sinhala in this helakuru.lk site. Or you can go to this site. I'm sending this link to you. Mamme link එක එවන්න. You can use this link. This is from Colombo University. There also you can type the same thing. Sinhala 7 වසර. මේ විදිය හෙව්වා නම් හරි. ඒකේ. Sinhala SI/N HALA 7 වසර. Then it will give this one in the second link. Either way, you have to type the Sinhala font. Or either go into Helakuru or right, either go into Helakuru.
So when we put that one, I click සිංහල 7 වසර, then it's coming sir එතන ඉංග්‍රීසි අකුරු S තියෙනවා. අනිත් ඒවා ඔක්කොම සිංහල. මම සිංහල අර මේ මොකද කොළඹ යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ sir.
Colombo University link එකේද මොකක්ද ඔයා type කරේ?
මං ගැහුවා සිංහල 7 වසර කියලා.
එතකොට ගහන්න
sir
ඕනේ
අර
capital S ද ගැහුවේ? Capital S ගහන්න එපා.
ඔව් sir.
Simple S, simple S.
ආ.
Simple
දැන්
S,
හරි.
then /NHALA. Simple S.
දැන් හරි.
Mm.
දැන් හරි.
So this is
Thank
how
you,
you
sir.
do. Okay. So then go copy, select this, Control C to copy, and then go to Google. Then go to Google.
සර් මේ හෙළගොළුගේ ටයිප් කළා දැන් අතන්ට මේ මොකක්ද කොපි ගන්න කොහොමද?
ඒක select කරලා පුතේ ඉස්සලම select කරන්න. හෙළකොරේගේ type කරන එක. ඊට පස්සේ Control C. ඊට පස්සේ Control V. Copy paste. File type PDF. මම ඔයාලට එවන්නද මම type කරපු එක. එතකොට ඔයාලට search කරන්න ලේසියි ඔක කරන්න අමාරුයි. Here that's what I have typed. Okay. Right, now you know how to search in any language, maybe Sinhala or English or Tamil even you can search, right? In Tamil even you can search. There's another site to convert that to Tamil it's in Columbia University again. You can use this link to convert this to Tamil. There's a one called Tanglish. Let's say Thai, I'm not sure. Pongal.
Link.
And I'm sending link. Okay, I'll send the link to you. I'm not sure my in Tamil wordings are correct. Oh.
When I opening those things, some are blocked now.
Which one? This UCSC links or?
No, sir, that ICT paper grade 7.
Yeah. Can be
file
blocked.
type.
Yes, that can be blocked, Puta. Don't worry. So because we some are blocked, some are okay. I'm not sure this is Thai Pongal. I think this is wrong, not Thai Pongal. No, this is wrong.
සර් මේ අද මේ කොපි ගන්නක පොඩ්ඩක් පෙන්නන්න බැරිද සර් කරන විදිහ?
මෙතන පුතේ එලකුරු එකේද?
ඔව් සර්.
ඔව් මට පොඩ 7 වසර පන්තියක් තියෙනවා. චුට්ටක් වෙලා ගිහලා තියෙන අපි බලමු මම ටක් කරලා පෙන්නන්නම් ඈ. මෙතන සිංහල කියලා ගත්තම sorry සිංහල කියලා ගැහුවම මේකේ ඩබල් ක්ලික් කරන්න. මේ වචනේ ඩබල් ක්ලික් කරලා මෙතනින් කොපි කරන්න. කොපි කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මේකට ගිහිල්ලා Google එකට ගිහිල්ලා paste කරන්න. Control V. හරි. Tamil වලට හරවන්න පුතේ මම ලියලා දෙවෙනි link එක එවුවා. ඒ link එක බලන්න. මන්තුජ Tamil වලට හරවන්න මම එවලා තියෙනවා. දෙවෙනි link එක එකෙන් බලන්න. එකෙන් අර t3.html කියලා. So what I'm going to do, so I'll include this in your note, right? This is Tamil link and this is Sinhala link. So I'll include this to your note, otherwise it will be difficult to you to find this out. The first one is Singlish and the second one is Tanglish. So I'm sending this to you. I'll upload the note to Edmodo, right? I'll upload the note to Edmodo. Please go through that because otherwise it will take time to finish the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Good night. See you all in next.
Bye, sir. Stay safe. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Stay safe.
Bye sir, stay safe. Bye.
Thank you.
Stay safe, sir.